Let's be honest. If I see one more make $10,000 per month from my phone, I might just throw that phone away, right? Everybody online keeps recycling the same tired side hustles, surveys, print on demand, drop shipping, watching ads for pennies. Please stop already. Aren't you just tired of all that mess? I know I am. And that is why today I am going to get real with you. I'm going to spill the tea. I'm going to break down 5 legitimate side hustles for extra money that you may need in 2025 and that actually works. No gimmicks, no become a millionaire overnight junk. None of that. These are income streams that real people are using right now to pay bills, build freedom, and get out from under that AdSense waiting game. You may not be monetized yet, so this would be great for you. And the first one is remote work. But wait, 1 minute is not the kind that your mom still thinks means data entry. And please stick around until the end because number 4 may just surprise you. Are you ready to hear the real deal? I'm about to spill the tea. Well, let's dive right in to starting with number 1. And that's remote work. Reimagined? Yes. Forget everything that you think you know about work from home. Remote work in 2025 isn't about clocking in. It's about projects, not positions. Companies are ditching full-time hires and paying freelancers like you by project, not by hours. That means that you can pick up short-term, high-paying gigs without ever calling yourself an employee. Think a travel brand may be hiring you for 2 weeks to research travel destinations. A startup company might pay you $500 to organize their Notion workspace, or a social media agency that just needs you to schedule posts for them and answer DMs 3 hours a day. Sites like Contra, CONTRA, Remote Task, and We Work Remotely list these flexible, quick cash roles every single day. And here's the power move. Don't apply like you're begging for a job, because you ain't. Pitch yourself like a problem solver and a person with specialized skills. For example, you could say, I help busy companies organize their daily chaos. I help brands keep their inbox from becoming an overloaded crime scene. That's how remote work becomes a side hustle with leverage and your skills. Not another measly $7 per hour remote job. No, we're not doing that, right? Not in 2025. Number 2, Faceless affiliate marketing. This one is my favorite. We're going to talk about this because this is my bread and butter. Affiliate marketing. But not the watered down version that you've seen 1,000 times before. Everyone says just post your link. But if you don't have a strategy, you're just engaging in spamming. So here's what actually works in 2025. Faceless affiliate marketing. Instead of showing your face or building a brand from scratch, what you're going to do is you're going to create simple content like short videos, blog snippets, or Pinterest pins that teach something small and solve something specific. And no, you don't need a big audience either or any fancy gear. What you need is a system and a strategy. That's exactly why I built the Faceless affiliate marketing Kickstart system. That's what I call it, because when I started, I wasted months guessing which programs to join, which niches made sense, and how to promote without sounding like a walking ad. Inside the Kickstart system that you will get is my 10-page roadmap to your first affiliate commission. A 17-page workbook that walks you through picking your niche, joining high-pay programs, and scaling up. And then there's my bonus guide, Pin to Profit, which shows you how to drive traffic 24/7 with Pinterest, even if you have 0 followers. This isn't fluff. It's the same strategy that made me my first real online income, and I'm proud of that. So if you're ready to finally stop waiting on Google AdSense, the link for my system is in the video description below. You can literally start tonight after you finish listening to this video. And if you like creating, wait until you hear what's happening with brands and AI, because this next one is exploding. And it's number 3 on the list I have the UGC for AI and software brands. Let me explain. This is a hustle that almost nobody's talking about yet. Forget skincare and fashion. AI companies are the new UGC clients. UGC stands for user-generated content, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Real people making short videos or demos showing how they use a product. But there's one major exception, though. Startup companies in the AI and tech world are desperate for relatable content creators who can explain software without sounding like engineers or sounding complicated. Think about it. Tools like Notion, Descript, CapCut, and Runway all need everyday people showing how they work. That's where you come in. And you don't need a huge following. You just need clarity and personality. Brands will literally pay you $200 to $800 per video to make short how-to clips or product walkthroughs that they can use in their ads. No joke. So what you're going to do is you're going to search for UGC Creator AI on TikTok or Upwork, and you're going to see what comes up. And the key is to treat yourself like a mini agency. Don't just say I'm a content creator. Instead, say I make human sounding demonstrations that sell your technology tools. That sentence alone can land you a contract because it sounds like you know what you're talking about. Now let's talk about number 4, which is in the digital product micro niche. And this one gives you more control and ownership. Because guess what? Affiliate marketing is all well and good and great. But digital products, that's the long game. And I don't mean massive online courses either. I mean tiny, useful products that solve one annoying problem for someone. Like a 3-day travel outfit planner for weekend flyers or passengers. Or 20 hooks for Faceless reels. YouTube description swipe file for new YouTube channel beginners. How to get your child to eat vegetables. How to deal with anxiety as a single mom. All of that stuff. How to have better relationship in your marriage after infidelity. That is specific. See how specific those problems are? Each of those can sell for $5 to $20 and live on Gumroad, Payhip, or Fourth Wall forever. You create it once and it sells while you sleep. And that is what I like about digital product. But here's the beauty. Micro niches move quietly. While everyone else is building $500 courses, you're stacking $20 downloads that never stop selling. And don't stop stacking them. Keep stacking them. I have digital products that still bring me income from videos I made last year. That's the power of creating once and letting automation do the rest for you. And if you're not into selling or talking to clients, don't worry. This last one on my list is more passive, more experimental, but still real and still doable and still works. And that's number 5, which is crypto earnings and passive web task. But it has a twist. Before you open your eyes to glaze over this one, it isn't about trading or NFTs. I'm talking about small, steady income from apps that will reward you for sharing unused internet, data, or attention. Platforms like Honeygain, Packet Stream, and Repocket let you rent out a little bit of your Wi-Fi bandwidth. You install it once and it runs in the background. You can make anywhere from $30 to $100 a month. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy, but totally passive. And money is money, honey. Or if you're a little more hands-on, you can explore Publish 0x or Read.cash, sites that pay in crypto when you write or curate articles. Why does this matter? Because while most people scroll for free, you'll be stacking coins quietly. And when crypto spikes again, those small earnings that you've been ignoring suddenly look a whole lot bigger. It's not glamorous, but it's smart. And smart is what wins long term. Now here's the truth, and you already know it. AdSense isn't a business model. It's a bonus. So if you're serious about creating real income, you need control, not permission from AdSense. That's why these 5 hustles hit differently. Remote work that pays you for your skills and not hours. Affiliate marketing that finally makes sense. especially with my Kickstart system that I spoke about, which guides you through this step by step. UGC for AI brands that need real people like you with your skills, not influencers. Digital products that sell themselves while you sleep. And passive crypto apps that keep stacking small wins for you in the background. No more waiting for the algorithm, that's YouTube algorithm, to notice you. You start building, you start owning, you start earning. So if you're ready to start with the easiest and fastest one, grab my Faceless Affiliate Marketing Kickstart system right below the video. It's only $14.99 and it gives you everything, your roadmap, your workbook, and your traffic plan and traffic source and your first win. Because 2025 isn't the year to chase side hustles. It's the year to build income independence and to be strategic. Oh, and if you want more ideas to make money on YouTube without AdSense, I created an ebook bundle titled 40 plus epic ways, to monetize outside of AdSense, with over 40 ideas that people are actually searching for. And in the bundle are 30 websites with affiliates waiting to sell those digital products that you're going to create. This bundle is also linked in the description. You can grab it as well. Now go make that money on top of your AdSense bonus and stop waiting around, because your creativity deserves more than just waiting on Google's next deposit. I hope you got some value from this. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming video. Take care now.